All right. This time we're going to find a newspaper article. Where are we going? Library resources. Newspaper article from the 1920s. So we're going to go to New York Times. You have a subscription. Oh, whoop, you just saw who I am. That's all right. You have a subscription. That's pretty cool. You have a subscription as a CSC Eagle. Let's go down. I'm looking for. Oh, let's go back up. Sorry. Give you guys vertigo. Make your screenshots. Make your videos better than this. Okay, restrict date range. That's what we're doing. We want to do. We'll just use this thing. All right, you can do this. Okay. No. Oh, geez. Can I type in stuff up here? 01. Yes, you can. 01, 01, 1920 to 12/31, 1929. All right, now we have the decade. Now let's search for, what do we want to say? I'm going to try this. I'm going to try Clovis. No, I'm not. Let's just do early. This is the 1920s. We're going to say early man Americas. Let's see what happens. 0 results. That's not good. Did I spell Americas wrong? I did. That is going to be a problem. All right, let's try it again. Okay, we got non-aggression pact. We got Monroe Doctrine. That's not a very good search term, is it? Let's try a different one. Let's try Clovis, New Mexico, because that's where some stuff was found in the time period. Ooh, Mound Builder story reveals. Ooh, look at that. Okay, this would work. This is archaeology. Mound builders, you don't know about them, but they're a thing. In Southern Ohio, for a long time, people thought the Germans built them. Don't ask me why. Okay, that's pretty cool. So that would work, guys. If you wanted to tweet that, you can actually just copy that web address. That one works for the New York Times. For JSTOR, it doesn't, if you saw that video. And you're kind of like done. Screenshot this thing. Maybe write a description if you really want to do well. View the full article on Time Machine. Might as well do that. That's pretty neat. Okay, so over here you can read a PDF of it. Over here you can see it as it was back in all its 1920s glory. You can see the rest of the paper. Guy's got a pretty cool hairdo. And tiny print. All right, let's do the PDF just to see what happens. Oh, so that brings it up. Just kind of a static with just the article, so you don't have to read the rest of the paper. That is cool. And you can, of course, make that bigger if you want. What is it? Control plus, doop, doop, doop. No, I'm sorry. Control plus, doop, 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 doop. All right, Control plus, there it's bigger, you can read it. That's the end of my video. Bye.